How to fix Instagram followers not showing. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram followers not showing. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Follow and Invite Friends. Here, make sure the flag for review option is enabled. This ensures Instagram is aware of any issues related to your followers. Now go back to the main menu and tap on Help. Here, tap on Report a Problem. Then tap on Report a Problem again. This will prompt you to provide more detailed information about the issue. Next, tap on Include and Continue to add more context to your problem. Finally, type your report in the provided text box, such as, "Please solve my problem and fix the followers not showing the issue. I cannot see my followers on my profile page." This helps Instagram understand the nature of the problem and assist in resolving it faster. Once submitted, Instagram support team will review your issue and reach out to you with a solution. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.